following previous lecture, we are going to discuss about charged particle moving perpendicular to the magnetic field. Some basic concepts we need to know. Flow of charge electron means flow of current in the opposite direction. Force direction Fleming left hand rule gives force direction. Fleming left hand rule gives force direction for conventional current. For conventional current. If flow of positive charge, then the flowing direction will be the current direction. If negative charge flow, then the current will flow the opposite direction. So we use Fleming left hand rule force direction for conventional current, not conventional negative charge. For conventional current or positive charge, because positive charge is the flow of current. Flow of positive charge, that means flow of current. Flow of negative charge, that means flow of like electron or other particles, negative particles, charged particle. Then the flow of current will be in the opposite direction to the flow of negative charge. And the magnetic field and the process, if magnetic field is represented by some process circle, then it will be the direction into the board, and some concentric circle, and by dot, inside dot, some dot circled, then it is out of the board, from center to out of the board, in this direction will be the direction of the magnetic field. A beam of charged particle, magnetic field into the board. If a beam of positively charged particle, or direction of, that means direction of current, positively charged particle enters the magnetic field at 90 degree, then a force will be applied. A force will be applied on the beam of the particles. Fleming left hand rule confirms that the force is always at 90 degree to the direction of the charged particles. However, force is continuous to act at 90 degree, and the velocity causes further bending and forms a circle. So, to move in a circular path, we need centripetal force. We know centripetal force is equal to mv squared divided by r, where m is equal to mass of the particle, v is equal to velocity of the particle, r is equal to radius of the circle. R is equal to radius of the circle. since force is always acts to the 90 degree to the path, so velocity remains constant. Velocity remains constant. We know F is equal to, by Fleming left hand rule, we have seen the direction will be like this, and the force is equal to BIL sine theta, and F is equal to also mv square by r. So BIL sine theta is equal to mv square by r. Here theta is equal to 90 degree. So BIL is equal to mv square by r. Here for charge BQV. BQV is equal to mv square by r, charge particle BQV. So BQV is equal to mv square by r. R is equal to mv by bq, but q by m is equal to v by br. Here q by m is equal to specific charge, charge per unit mass, charge per unit mass. So charge particle moving perpendicular to magnetic field BQV is equal to mv square by r, where q by m is specific charge